Hi Bebs, today I'm going to try the Kimuse water tint. I got 3 shades here, the N01, G01, and G02. First, let's try the G02 shade. Here's the swatch. Upon application, I can feel the smoothness in gliding in my lips. This is so lightweight, like you're not wearing any lip product in your lips. And this is the shade after I applied it on my lips. Let's see if it will transfer on my hands. No. So it's transfer proof. Next one is in the shade G01. Here's the swatch. Ooh, I love the shade. This may actually look orangey in the video, but in actual, this is actually red in color. This is perfect for no makeup look. And the last one in the shade N01. Here's the swatch. All the colors are promising, especially this one. It actually looks natural on the lips. I can't believe this is so affordable. Like, wala ka nang hahanapin pa, mga bebs! Overall, I love the performance of this product. It's lightweight, it's affordable, and it's perfect for everyday makeup look. So, Kimuse, baka naman.